5. Find the coordinates of circumcenter of a triangle whose vertices are A minus 2, 3, B 6 minus 1, C 4, 3. This is question number 5, 5.4. We have to find a circumcenter for the triangle Suppose this is your triangle ABC. Now what is circumcenter? Circumcenter is point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of two sides. Suppose this is O, circumcenter. This is D, this is E. So what is circumcenter? Circumcenter is perpendicular bisector of sides of triangle. Sorry. Circumcenter is point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. Point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of sides of triangle ABC. हे जे ट्रायंगल आहे ABC त्यांचं जे प्रत्येक साइडचे जे परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर्स असतात त्याचा पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन हा सर्कमसेंटर आहे. लेट OXY be circumcenter. Now OD is perpendicular to BC. So therefore slope of OD will be -1 upon slope of BC. तो हम लोग पहले slope of BC निकाल लेंगे. अब A क्या है? -2, 3. B is 6 minus 1. C is 4, 3. Slope of BC will be 3 minus of -1 upon 4 minus 6. So it is 3 plus 1 upon -2. So it is 4 by -2, that is -2. Now what is slope of OD? Slope of OD is -1 upon -2, that is 1 by 2. Now D. D is midpoint of BC. Therefore, by midpoint formula, coordinates of D will be 6 plus 4 by 2 and -1 plus 3 by 2. So that is 10 by 2 is 5 and this is 2 by 2 is 1. So for line OD, slope is 1 by 2 and coordinates are 5, 1. Therefore, equation of OD whose slope is 1 by 2 and D is 5, 1 by slope point form y minus 1 is equals to 1 by 2x minus 5. So I can say this is 2y minus 2x minus pi. X minus 2y minus pi plus 2 is equals to 0. X minus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. This is the equation of line OD. अब हम लोग क्यों निकाल रहे हैं ये इक्वेशन? हम लोग अगर OD निकालेंगे और OE निकालेंगे तो उनका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आ जाएगा ना वो, इसलिए. Now similarly we will go with OE. Now OE is perpendicular to AC. So therefore slope of OE is minus 1 upon slope of AC. So what is slope of AC? It is 3 minus 3. It is 3 minus 3 upon 4 minus of minus 2. It is 0 upon 6. Answer is 0. So therefore slope of OE is not defined because it will be minus 1 upon 0. That is not defined. Now, whenever the slope is not defined, it means it is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, OE is parallel to y-axis. ये दो चीजों से पता चलता है, because A का y coordinate 3 है और C का भी y coordinate 3 है, तो A is parallel to x-axis, so automatically the perpendicular will be parallel to y-axis. And therefore equation of OE will be x is equals to A. Because it is parallel to y-axis. Now E is midpoint of AC. So therefore E will be minus 2 plus 4 by 2. Minus 2 plus 4 by 2 and 3 plus 3 by 2. So E is 1, 3. Now in line OE, slope is not defined, so parallel to y-axis. So equation will be x is equals to A, and E is 1, 3. So equation will be x is equals to 1. Because the line is passing through 1, 3. So equation is x is equals to 1. Now equation of OD is x minus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. Now if I want to solve this and this equation simultaneously, I will put x is equals to 1 here. So 1 minus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. Minus 2y minus 2 is equals to 0. Minus 2y is 2. Y is minus 1. So coordinates of O, by solving these two equations simultaneously, is 1 and minus 1 are coordinates of circumcenter by solving OE and OD simultaneously. So this is the coordinates of circumcenter. It's too big to solve, but still, circumcenter is point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. तो OD है जो perpendicular bisector है BC का, और D मिड पॉइंट आएगा. तो OD परपेंडिकुलर है BC को, इसलिए OD का स्लोप आ गया. डी मिड पॉइंट है तो डी का कोऑर्डिनेट्स आ गया। सो स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म से हम लोगों ने ओडी की इक्वेशन निकाल ली। सिमिलरली हम लोगों ने ओई की इक्वेशन निकाल ली। अब ये दोनों इक्वेशन को आप अगर साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करोगे तो ओ के कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिलेंगे। तो इनको साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व किया तो कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिले 1 - 1 एंड दीज आर द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ सर्कमसेंटर। Sixth sum, find the equation of line whose x-intercept is 3 and which is perpendicular to the line 3x minus y plus 23 is equals to 0. So I'll say that let L1 be the line and L1 is perpendicular to 3x minus y plus 23 is equals to 0. And x-intercept is 3. Now, we know that slope of perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals of each other. If L1 is perpendicular to this line, then slope of this line and this L1 is equals to -1. We'll first find out the slope of this line. Slope of line 3x minus y plus 23 is equals to 0. Here A is 3, B is -1, and C is 23. And slope of line is minus A by B. That will be minus of -3, sorry, -3 by -1, your answer is 3. I can find out slope by other method also. I will say y is equals to 3x plus 23. So this 3 is the slope. Okay. So once we have got the slope, we have to find out the equation. Now this was the slope of the line. Which is perpendicular. So therefore slope of L1 will be -1 upon slope of line. That will be -1 by 3. This is the slope of L1. Now x-intercept of L1 is 3. That is L1 intersect x-axis at point 30. क्योंकि लाइन का x इंटरसेप्ट और इंटरसेक्शन में क्या फर्क है वो देखते हैं हम लोग। अगर ये है आपका कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस और ये है लाइन और ये ऐसे इंटरसेक्ट हो रही है और ये पॉइंट है A0, तो ये जो पॉइंट है P, this is the point of intersection of line L1 with x-axis, and x intercept is A. So here, if x intercept is 3, then line L1 intersect x-axis at point 30. So point 30 lies on line L1. So for L1, slope is -1 by 3 and point on L1 is 1 and 3. Oh, sorry, 3 and 0. So by slope point form, the equation will be y minus 0 is equals to -1 by 3, x minus 3. 3y is equals to -x plus 3. x plus 3y minus 3 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the line. Find the distance of a point A from the line. Question 7. Find distance of point A. Point A is minus 2, 3 from line 12x minus 5y minus 13 is equals to 0. See, diagrams are not important, but I'll still draw a diagram. See, this is if this is point P x1 y1 and this is your line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Then distance of point P is nothing but this perpendicular distance of point P from the line. And how to find out this distance? I'll say this is A because this distance is denoted by slanting P. This distance of point P is given as modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c whole thing upon under root a square plus b square. This is the formula of distance of a point from the line. So here point is minus 2, 3 and the line is this. So the distance, let P denote distance of point minus 2, 3 from line 12x minus 5y minus 13 is equals to 0. Therefore, P will be modulus because distance cannot be negative. 12 into minus 2 plus, minus 5 into 3 minus 13 whole thing upon under root 12 square plus minus 5 square. That is minus 24 minus 15 minus 13 whole thing upon under root 144 plus 25. So minus 24 plus 15 plus 13. So this is 24 plus 13 plus 15. This is 52 minus 52 upon 144 plus 25 is 169. Under root 169 is 13. Now because of modulus, this negative sign will go 52 by 13. It's 4. So distance is 4 units. मॉड्यूलस इसीलिए लिया जाता है क्योंकि डिस्टेंस कभी निगेटिव नहीं है, लेकिन वैल्यूज ऐसी है कि निगेटिव पॉइंट वैल्यू आ सकते हैं इसमें, इसलिए हम लोग माइनस ले लेते हैं, सॉरी मॉड्यूलस ले लेते हैं ताकि माइनस साइन इग्नोर हो जाए. Find the distance between parallel line 9x plus 6y minus 7 is equals to 0 and 9x plus 6y minus 32 is equals to 0. Question 8. Distance between the parallel lines. अगर कुछ रह जाता है आपका तो बाद में फिर आप वीडियो को देख के और उसको स्टॉप करके लिख सकते हैं. I'll also share on your group. So the lines are 9x plus 6y minus 7 is equals to 0 and 9x plus 6y minus 32 is equals to 0. These are the two parallel lines. Now, if ax plus by plus c1 is equals to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equals to 0, if these two are parallel lines, then distance between parallel lines is C1 minus C2 upon under root A square plus B square. So let P be the distance. So that will be minus 7 minus of minus 32 upon under root 9 square plus 6 square. Parallel lines ला नेहमी x आणि y चे coordinates एक तर सेम तरी असतात, नाही तर त्यांचा रेशो तरी सेम असतो. This will be minus 7 plus 32 upon this is 81 plus 36. So 32 minus 7 is 25 upon under root 117. प्लसच आहे म्हणून मॉड्युलस टाकायची काही गरज नाही. And we need not even solve this if it is, because 117 it's not a perfect square, so we cannot find out under root. So we can simply write down this is in units. Simple. We can go on to question number 9 now. Find the equation of line passing through the point of intersection of these two lines and making intercept 3 on x-axis. आपको एक ऐसे लाइन की इक्वेशन चाहिए जो इन दो लाइंस के पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन से पास होती है और वो एक्स एक्सिस पे 3 का इंटरसेप्ट बना रही है. We want this. And suppose these are your coordinate axes. So this point is 3, 0. So I will say let L1 be the line passing through point of intersection of two lines. The two lines are x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. And the other line is 2x minus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. Sorry, plus 4. तो ये जो लाइन L1 है ये दोनों लाइन के पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन से पास हो रही है. ओके अगर ऐसा है तो ये जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन है, से सपोज ये है A, ये L1 पे भी लाई करता है, तो हम लोग ये पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकालेंगे. हाउ टू फाइंड द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू लाइंस? वी विल सॉल्व दीज टू साइमल्टेनियसली. So I will solve 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 4 and x plus y is equals to 2 simultaneously. We can multiply this by 2. We will get 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 4 and 2x plus 2y is equals to 4. Say this is minus. हे कट होऊन जाईल. हे will minus 5y आणि हे येईल minus 8. Y will become 8 by 5. I'll put this value in any one of the equation. So x plus 8 by 5 is equals to 2. So x is 2 minus 8 by 5. That is 10 minus 8 by 5. That is 2 by 5. So the point of intersection A is 2 by 5, 8 by 5. For line L1, there are 2 points 2 by 5, 8 by 5, because on line L1, you have this point which is 2 by 5, 8 by 5, and you have this point 3, 0. So by 2-point form, it will be y minus y1 is equals to 0 minus 8 by 5 upon 3 minus 2 by 5 into x minus 2 by 5. We can find out the equation. Minus 8 by 5. This is 13 by 5. 15 minus 2. X minus 2 by 5. Y minus 8 by 5 minus 8 by 13 into x minus 2 by 5. We can solve this and get the equation of the line. Here will 5y minus 8 upon 5 is equals to minus 8 by 13 x minus 2 by 5. It can be cross multiplication. Minus 40 x minus 2 by 5. 65 minus 104 minus 40x plus 40 into 2 by 5. So 40 divided by 5. 8 into 2, 16. We can write it as 40x plus 65y minus 104 minus 16 is equals to 0. (40x plus 65y minus 120 is equals to 0. We can divide it by 5. So it will become 8x plus 13y minus 120 divided by 5 is 24 is equals to 0. This can be your equation. See, the line L1, we want the equation of line L1, which is passing through point of intersection of two lines. These two lines are x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. And 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. अगर ये लाइन L1 उससे पास हो रही है तो वो उसके पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन से पास हो रही है, तो हम लोग ये पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकाल सकते हैं by solving these two equations simultaneously. So our point of intersection was 2 by 5 and 8 by 5. Now next, line L1 is having x-intercept 3. So it is obviously line L1 is intersecting x-axis at point 30. तो लाइन L1 के लिए 2 पॉइंट्स है, तो 2-point फॉर्म से हम लोगों ने इक्वेशन निकाल ली. That is 8x plus 13y minus 24 is equals to 0.